Today we will be building something really cool. It's called walking stilts. And the reason we are making these walking stilts is to make us taller and have some fun.
But first we have to go shopping.
There we go.
Be down.
In order for us to make these walking stilts today, we will need 2 long wooden poles, some scrap wood, nuts and bolts, and some wood glue. We need to cut each pole into 6-foot long pieces.
Now it's time to make the feet support.
These are the feet support for the walking stilts. Use the roller to find the center and mark your holes. Now that we have these holes drilled, we can use the roller to mark the poles so we can drill them too. Now that we have all of the pieces, we can use the nuts and bolts to put them together.
Now we're going to cut 2 more pieces to add to our feet support.
Now we have cut out these pieces for our feet to stand on. Now we are going to attach them using screws and some wood glue.
Time to try it out. Yeah, it's not as easy as it looks. So let's recruit some help from Mom. Now everybody wants to get in on the fun. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.